Alrighty, I'm getting a lot of messages about how to change the filter without having an explosion of water come out and mess up everything, which I need to do anyway. My pool's pretty nasty. As you can tell, it's dark gray. I just got a message from somebody and I have no other way of telling her what I'm trying to say except by making a video. So this is going to be really quick. Step one. Close this. Make sure you turn it to, I can't tell if you can see that because of the sun so bright, the lock. See the lock? Here's an unlock. Turn it to the lock. Step two would be to come over to your wing nuts, loosen it, then pull out that. You pull that out, it stays on there. I didn't bring my plug. Alright, let me get my tote. I got a pull tote. Oh, I'm about to make a mess. Step three, insert the plug. I'm zooming in for some reason because I'm a moron. But I wasn't prepared for this. Insert the plug on the inside into the hole and just push it in there. It stays. And from here, you just open it. There you go. And that's the best way to do that. Make sure when you're putting it back, as long as you have that closed and that plug, mine is because I had a skimmer, you won't get the explosion, and just make sure you put the ring back in the right place and you won't have any issues. But look at that, that's from the skimmer. Then all you do is put a new filter in, or wash out your filter, put your top back on, close it up tight, open this, release the air, come over to here, pull the stopper out, take your plug piece, put it back in the hole, try to get it flush, tighten your wing nut, turn your pump back on, which I really needed to do because this thing is a wreck, because I shocked the hell out of it. I hope that helps. I would have done a live stream with a Q&A, but I can't see my screen on my phone, and I'm not digging my camera out right now. But that's it. Hope that helps.